Hi, I'm Bob at the Concealing Waterloo Region Museum, and today we're going to talk about weeding 100 years ago. It turns out we use exactly the same tools for weeding that we did 100 years ago. I like to say that people spent thousands and thousands of years weeding in their gardens, and they tried every kind of tool that they could invent, and by 1900 they had invented the best tool, and we still use the same thing today. So a lot of people don't like weeding. And I think it's because maybe they put too much work into it. Sometimes you think, oh, these weeds are bad, I'm going to try to get rid of them. And after you've done this for a little while, sure, you get rid of the weeds, but it really takes a toll on your arms and your shoulders. Really, the only thing you need to do to get rid of weeds is slice them off under the ground. Just a little slicing motion. It's really easy, and it doesn't hurt your shoulders. You could do this all day, and the weeds will still not come back. Every now and then you'll find a dandelion that will, so then feel free to chop it. But most weeds don't come back with just a little slicing under the ground. Now here's another tool that I love to use. It's the same as this one, except it's been bent down. So instead of pulling and hacking, it's a slicer. It just slices under the ground. Back and forth, and away go all the weeds.